Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into World Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your World Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address World Bank login like this and don't enter, and then redirect it over here. So in order to log into your World Bank account, guys, you can see at the first result of the Google there is the sign in page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page of World Bank. So let's wait for it. And after the login page of the World Bank loads, guys, you can see you'll be required to enter your email address of your World Bank account with which you had signed up for the World Bank account, guys. And after that, enter your password. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can already set it from your this button over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your account's password from over here. Or you can also proceed to log into the World Bank account with your Microsoft, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, and all of these platforms over here. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to these respected accounts will open, and if you log into those accounts, you'll be logged into the World Bank with these account. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, click on the sign in button, and then you'll be logged into your World Bank account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your World Bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.